Okay. Troy Bilt lawnmower, 21-inch deck, 6.5 horsepower, or it's not 6.5, I'm sorry, but nice mower. I just used it this morning, so it's not really, it would start up on the first pull, so fuel injected. Very nice. Just got it for, I think, $200 this summer. It's June 18th, and I've probably used it over 100 times since I use them every day. Cut probably about 10 lawns every day. Not 10, but a lot. So this is new Troy Bilt. I can start it up real quick. Let me find a place to put this camera. Not the best view. It's sitting on a piece of white oak log. Let me start it up. There we go. Not the first pull, but great little mower. Gets the job done. It's very light. So, alright. Well, tell me what you think. I like it. It's light. I wanted to get the self-propelled one, but too slow. So, here we go.